So I got a 30-year-old welding cart with busted wheels that I need to modify. So this thing's gonna have to go through the yard from shop to shop through mud, snow, sleet, rain, and whatever else Mother Nature throws at us. So I got this wagon off Temu, $65. You believe that? $65. It's a good wagon. So my plans are to make the 30-year-old welding cart with the new Temu cart and make myself an off-road cart. Let's build a cart and check for fuel leaks on the old 300 at the same time. I got 8 ton of 2B modified to finish my driveway. Tried out one of these turbo cans to see what all the hype was about. Not bad, but they really don't last too long. Well, the old wheelbarrow finally bit the dust. Now, I'm not a big fan of Jeep culture, you know, waving at people that glue toddler toys on their dashboards. But Jeeps are not only great for off-roading, they're great for doing yard work as well. Like right here I'm using this one for a roller to roll out my driveway. I also use the air Jeep to remove rocks in one of my other videos. And now I can finally make it down to the fab shop. Well, it was top heavy. My guess is gonna be more top heavier than bigger wheels. And I was right. Then I dropped the welder down to the second shelf, and it's still top heavy. So there will be a second part in this video. Yeah, it's a little steep, but it works. And now I can start the floor in the fab shop. See you in the next one.